8 powerful lessons every man must learn after being cheated on. Betrayal. It's one of the hardest blows to a man's confidence and trust. But here's the thing, it's also one of life's greatest teachers. In today's video, we're diving deep into 8 powerful lessons every man must learn after being cheated on. These aren't just words. These are practical, eye-opening insights that will help you rebuild, refocus, and rise above the pain. Whether it's reclaiming your self-respect, learning to spot red flags, or upgrading every aspect of your life, these lessons will transform how you approach relationships, and more importantly, your own growth. Stick around, because this isn't just a video. It's a wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Let's dive right into the first lesson. 1. Remember, it's her loss, not yours. When a woman cheats, it's not just a betrayal. It's a declaration of her failure to recognize and value what she had in you. Yes, the sting of infidelity cuts deep, but the moment you start shifting your perspective, you'll realize something profound. This isn't your loss, it's hers. She may have chased a fleeting thrill, traded loyalty for temporary excitement, but in doing so, she gave up the stability, strength, and value that you brought to the table. Think about that for a moment. What does it say about someone who can't appreciate a loyal, committed man? This isn't the time to question your worth. It's the time to reaffirm it. Use this betrayal as a painful, yet powerful reminder. You deserve better. You deserve someone who values the essence of a strong partnership, not someone swayed by fleeting emotions or temptations. Here's the reality. Let her walk away. Let her face the consequences of losing a man who stood by her with loyalty and intention. And for you, it's time to grow, to elevate, and to ensure that your future relationships are built on respect, commitment, and trust. 2. Stop acting weak. Reclaim your power. Let's be honest. The worst thing you can do when faced with betrayal is to cling to someone who has already shown they don't value you. Constantly reaching out, seeking answers, or trying to win her back only does one thing. It diminishes your worth in her eyes and reinforces her sense of control. Here's a hard truth. Acting weak after betrayal is a recipe for further disrespect. Instead, reclaim your power by doing the one thing that speaks volumes. Go silent. No calls, no texts, no social media stalking. Go completely cold. Let your absence deliver the message you couldn't say in words. I don't need someone who doesn't value me. This isn't about playing games. It's about self-respect. When you cut all ties, you regain control of your narrative. Silence is strength. It gives you the space to heal and rebuild, while also forcing her to confront the reality of losing a man strong enough to walk away. Here's the kicker. When you reclaim your power, you're not just healing yourself. You're also setting the foundation for something greater, a life where your worth is never up for negotiation. 3. Avoid playing the victim card. Choose resilience. Yes, betrayal hurts. It feels like the rug has been pulled out from under you, leaving you questioning everything. But here's the most powerful lesson you need to embrace. Do not play the victim card. Complaining, wallowing in self-pity, or fishing for sympathy might feel good in the short term, but it weakens your stance in the long run. Real strength lies in your ability to face betrayal with silent resolve. Instead of dwelling on the pain, channel that energy into your goals, passions, and personal development. Grind harder than ever, not to prove a point to anyone else, but to remind yourself of the resilience and strength you hold within. Your actions, not your words, should reflect your growth. When you refuse to let betrayal define you, when you focus on building yourself up, you'll emerge stronger, more self-assured, and ready to conquer life on your terms. 4. Don't let betrayal harden your heart. Here's a trap many men fall into after being cheated on. They allow betrayal to turn them bitter. They close off their hearts, swear off love, and begin to view all women through a lens of distrust. But true strength isn't found in cynicism. It's found in resilience. Don't let betrayal rob you of your ability to love and trust. Yes, what happened was painful. Yes, it exposed vulnerabilities you never thought you had. But instead of letting that define you, use it as a stepping stone for growth. A man of wisdom learns from betrayal. He grows from it. He uses it as a catalyst to elevate himself mentally, emotionally, and physically. And when you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you'll naturally attract the kind of people who align with your values. Loyal, genuine women who appreciate the strength of a man who has faced heartbreak, but still chooses to embrace life with an open heart. 5. Stop dwelling on the betrayal. Move forward fast. Dwelling on betrayal is like living in quicksand. The longer you stay, the harder it is to get out. The sooner you shift your focus from the pain to your own growth, the faster you'll reclaim control of your life. Here's the thing. When you dwell on betrayal, you give it power. You let it hold you back from becoming the man you're meant to be. Instead, use the pain as fuel. Channel that energy into upgrading yourself, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Set new goals. Embrace new opportunities. Build a life so fulfilling, so undeniably great, that her betrayal becomes a mere footnote in your story. Moving forward isn't about ignoring what happened. It's about refusing to let it define your future. 6. Recognize the red flags you ignored. Hindsight is 20/20, isn't it? When betrayal happens, it's easy to look back and see the trail of red flags you might have ignored. Unexplained absences, shifts in behavior, gut feelings you dismissed. These weren't coincidences. Being cheated on is a wake-up call. It's not just about her actions. It's about reflecting on your own. Where did you overlook the obvious? Where did you compromise your standards? This isn't about becoming paranoid or distrusting. It's about learning to trust yourself. Sharpen your instincts. Refine your ability to spot red flags early. Recognizing the signs next time won't just protect you. It will ensure you invest your time and energy in someone who truly deserves it. 7. Focus on upgrading yourself, not replacing her. When betrayal happens, many men rush to replace her. They jump into new relationships, seeking validation or trying to fill the emotional void. But here's the truth. Rushing to replace her is a mistake. Instead, shift your focus inward. Prioritize upgrading yourself. Work on becoming the man who not only recognizes his worth, but also refuses to tolerate disloyalty. Level up in every aspect of your life. Build your confidence. Get in the best shape of your life. Elevate your mindset. Strengthen your financial position. When you become the best version of yourself, you won't just attract a better partner. You'll attract a better life. 8. No mercy, no second chances. Here's the final, most vital lesson. No mercy. No second chances. When someone cheats, they've crossed a line that no apology or excuse can undo. Giving them another chance only opens the door for further disrespect. Stand firm in your standards. Value yourself enough to walk away without hesitation. This isn't about being cold or vengeful. It's about self-respect. When you tolerate betrayal, you send the message that your boundaries are negotiable. Let this be the turning point. Commit to never settling for less than the trust and honesty you deserve. A man of true strength knows when to let go and move forward, without looking back. Betrayal might break you temporarily, but it doesn't have to define you permanently. These 8 lessons aren't just strategies. They're a mindset. They're a path to rebuild your confidence, refocus your energy, and rise above the pain. Remember, this isn't the end of your story. It's the beginning of a better one.